Meaning of false move.
False move.
False move.
False move.
False move. A false move refers to a mistake or error in judgment made during a task or activity. It can have negative consequences, such as losing the game or failing to achieve a goal. In sports, a false move can result in a penalty or disadvantage for a team or player. In business, a false move can lead to financial losses or damage to reputation. It is important to avoid false moves by making careful and informed decisions, evaluating risks and opportunities, and learning from past mistakes.